What are you doing outside? Hi, princess! Oh! Saan kayo galing? Huh? Where have you been? Where have you been? Huh? What's that? Candy? May I see? Open it. No, please po.
Please have grapes now.
Grapes? Is that healthy or unhealthy? Oh, it's not healthy yan. Because it's candy.
Not it squishy or
Healthy daw sa kasi na daw sa grapes. No, even has grapes. Still unhealthy because it's candy. Still candy.
open ba?
Open ba? Unhealthy ha? This is not healthy. Sige na. What's that? Oh, ano mo yung ano mo? Sige na. Sabi mo. Palabas mo yun.
Ba?
Shh.
Open na!
Video ka na. Sige, okay. Ipalabas mo yung ano mo na. Okay, wait.
Here.
No. Pastor. Eskwela kameng.